Hey everybody, Ben Barber here to take you through another video funnel marketing training program. I'm going to show you how I basically create a unique buyer experience for a prospective buyer and leverage the power of video and video sales funnels to generate leads online, register people for an open house, book private showings for my new listing, offer a virtual tour directly through my video funnel, and provide basic property information that keeps people engaged with me and with my CRM, all right? So before we do that, if you haven't already, make sure you click on the like button and then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay notified of new training videos like this that will help you grow and scale your real estate business, all right? And then when you're ready, go ahead and grab a pad of paper, a pen, grab yourself something to drink, go take a bathroom break if you need to, and then let's just jump right into how I use video funnels to promote a listing online. So here's exactly how I'm going to break this down. The first thing I do is I have a new listing and I'm going to build a private link in my Perfect Storm CRM. Now, if you're not a client of Perfect Storm, if your CRM will allow you to build a custom link, that's what you want to do. I do want to take people away from my MLS site. I don't want them going to realtor.com or Zillow or a competitor's site. So I want to build a link that's directly in my CRM. Perfect Storm makes it very easy for me to do that and connect that to my video funnel. So that's the first step. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to build a virtual tour. What I've done with that is I basically just took this guy here, went out to the property, had my phone connected to it, and just did a couple pan shots of each room. I edited those videos together in a basic video editing software program on my Mac, and that gave me roughly a 5 to 10 second video of each room. So now I'm linking those in a menu tree, so if someone wants the option to just tour the house, they can click on an area of the home that they want to see, and I'm going to take them through that property, giving them the option to go back to the main menu, schedule a free showing with me at any time, book a discovery call, or register for the open house. Now with the register for the open house one, I keep that funnel very, very simple. I basically go into it and I say, okay, fantastic, register for the open house. What time would you like to go? And regardless of what option the prospective buyer selects, it all goes to the same video. I'm just capturing that information so I have it on the back end so I know what time they're anticipating going. So if I follow up with a phone call, a text, an email, or directly through Videoask, I can reference the time they selected that they want to be at the property, okay? Then the next question I ask is, are you currently working with an agent? If they are, I want to gather some details about the agent, and then I want to send them to my property detail page, again through my Perfect Storm CRM. If they're not working with an agent though, now is the time when I push and say, well, you're not working with an agent. It gets very busy during our open house. Would you like to schedule a showing? And if they say, yeah, I'd like to schedule a private showing, I go to that separate video ask that basically just says, great, what time do you want to see the property? It engages the user or the prospective buyer, I should say, and it incorporates my calendar link, okay? So sometimes when I talk, I seem like, yeah, I'm talking about a lot of different things, but really what I'm talking about is 4 very simple funnels, and I'm just connecting each one and looping back to certain ones to create this perfect buyer experience, all right? So let's just jump in. I'm gonna do some screen recordings and I'm gonna show you the very first one, which is just my introduction. With my introduction video, I'm keeping it very simple. I've got an introduction video about me. It's shot here in my office. I give a little bit of information about the property, and then I'm giving my prospective buyer 4 different options. Those options are get property details. And if they want to see the property, that's fine. I'm going to link them over to my Perfect Storm CRM where I have a page built specifically for this property through the link builder. Very simple, very easy to do. If you're not a Perfect Storm client and you want to get started, you can actually save $200 using my link in the description below. The second option I have for a prospective buyer is to register for the open house. Now, if they click on that option, it's a very simple funnel where I'll give them some available time slots. But regardless of which time slot they select, I'm going to take them to the next video, which is to ask them if they're currently working with an agent. If they are working with an agent, that's no problem. I'm going to just get some information and I'm going to make a video that's very simple for the prospective buyer to follow by just saying, hey, just tell me who your agent is. If all you have is the name, first and last name, I'll find them. If you know their email, great, give that to me. If you know their phone number, give that to me as well. I'm just going to let them know you registered for the open house, okay? Once they put that information in, I'm going to take them to that property detail page that I built in Perfect Storm. Now, if they say I don't have an agent, that's fantastic. That's where I now want to take them and ask them if they would like to schedule a private showing before the open house, because open houses can be so busy. All right. If they do click on that, it's going to redirect them to my third option from my main menu, which is schedule a private showing. Okay, schedule a private showing is just like it sounds. It's just going to incorporate my calendar link. The prospective buyer will be able to select a time that works. And then I have a very simple, thank you very much. We'll be reaching out to you to schedule your time to see the property. The fourth option is my favorite one, which is my virtual open house. It's basically a virtual property tour. That is a very simple funnel where the prospective buyer is now going to be able to select different parts of the house, and I'm going to have a small video based on whatever their selection is, but within each, as soon as they've seen that part of the property, I'll give them the option to go back to the main menu and select another area of the home, or schedule their free showing or register for the open house, all right? So I combine all of these together, I make these very simple funnels, and then I link all of them together to create one experience, all right? So if you would, in the comments, let me know what you think about this funnel. Let me know how you're using video and your CRM to engage prospects, promote your listings, get people to register for your open house, and get those buyer consultations like I'm doing here. And if you want more training on this or on videos specifically, make sure you check out all of my other videos where I break down all the different ways that I use videos and video marketing in conjunction with my CRM and Facebook and things like that, to generate the most buyer leads, build trust, build rapport, and help grow my team through sales, all right? Appreciate you checking out this video. If you haven't already, make sure you do hit the like button. Feel free to share this with agents in your market, and make sure you do hit subscribe and the bell icon so you can get notified of new video content like this, so you can continue to stay in front of your competitors. Maybe I shouldn't have said share it with your agents, but I want you to stay in front of your competitors and leverage technology to grow your business, automate your life, automate your business, make everything easier, and provide a better experience to your customers, clients, okay? All right, I appreciate you checking out this video. Go out there, make some videos, let me know how it's working for you, and I'll see you on the next video.